It's very important your hazard lights are in good working condition because the last thing you want is to be stranded in your vehicle and not be able to alert other drivers of your situation. There are a number of key components to your hazard lights, including the switch itself. If there is a problem with the switch, you and your family could be at risk. So it's good practice to consistently have your hazard switch checked and replaced if necessary. It could mean the difference between being caught in an emergency without a distress signal and being assisted quickly.